Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Moto Insurance, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you about auto insurance, definition and its work. So let's start our video. So here's it, auto insurance definition, how it works, coverage type and cost. So here's it, basically by Julia Kagan, updated July 15, 2023, reviewed by Eric STVs. So here's it. Basically, when you buy or lease a car, it's important to protect that investment. Getting auto insurance can offer reassurance in case you are involved in an accident or the vehicle is stolen, vandalized, or damaged by a natural disaster. Instead of paying out of pocket for auto accidents, people pay annual premiums to an auto insurance company. The company then pay all or most of the costs associated with an auto accident or other vehicle damage. So here's it, key takeaways. Car insurance is designed to protect you against financial losses if you involved in an accident or the vehicle is damaged in some way. Both states require you to have minimum amount of liability insurance coverage. Some also require you to have other coverage types such as uninsured motorist coverage. So here's it. Basically, coverage premiums are what you pay monthly, uh, biannually or yearly to maintain a car insurance policy, while deductibles are amounts you pay when you file a claim. It's important to shop around for the best car insurance rates to find the right coverage for your vehicle at the right place, right price. So you see it here. What is car insurance? Car insurance is effectively a contrast between yourself and an insurance company in which you agree to pay premium in exchange for protection against financial losses stemming from an accident or other damage to the vehicle. Auto insurance can offer coverage for vehicle damages, including your car or another driver's vehicle, property damage or bodily injuries caused by an accident, medical bills and or funeral expenses associated with injuries sustained in an accident. So here's it. The exact details of what's covered depend on the minimum coverage requirements for your state and any additional coverage options you choose to include. Every state except New Hampshire requires drivers to have a minimum amount of bodily injury liability coverage and property damage liability coverage. So here's it. Basically important, failing to obtain the minimum car insurance required by the laws in your state could result in suspension of your license, fines or even jail time for report of offences. Auto insurance costs. There are two primary costs associated with purchasing car insurance: premiums and deductibles. So here's it. Auto insurance premiums are vary depending on age, gender, year of driving experience, accident and moving violation history, and other factors. Again, most states mandate a minimum amount of auto insurance. That minimum varies by state, but many people purchase additional insurance to protect themselves further. Additionally, if you are financing a car, the lender may stipulate that you carry certain types of car insurance. For instance, you may need a gap insurance if you are purchasing an expensive vehicle that will likely to depreciate very quickly once you drive it off the lot. Gap insurance can help to pay off the difference between the vehicle's value and what you still owe on it if you are involved in an accident. A poor driving record or the desire for complete coverage will lead to higher premiums. However, you can reduce your premiums by agreeing to take on more risk, which means increasing your deductible. So here's here. Your deductible is about you have to pay when filing a claim before the insurance company will pay out anything to you for damages. So, for example, your policy may have a dollar 5,500 or dollar 1,000 deductible. Agreeing to a higher deductible can result in a lower premium, but you would have to be reasonably sure. So here's it. Basically, you could cover the higher amounts if you need to file a claim. How auto insurance works. In exchange for paying a premium, the insurance company agrees to pay your losses as outlined in your policy. Policies are period individually to let you customize a coverage amount to suit your exact needs and budgets. Policy terms are usually 6 or 12 month time frames and are renewable, and insurance will notify a customer when it's time to renew the policy and pay another premium. So here's it. Basically, regardless of whether they mandate having a minimum amount of auto insurance, nearly every state requires car owners to carry bodily injury liability, which cover costs associated with injuries or death that you or another driver causes while driving your car. They may also require property damage liability, which reimburses other for damage that you or another driver operating your car causes to another vehicle or other property. A number of states go a step further, mandating car owners carry medical payments or personal injury protection, which reimburses medical expenses for injuries sustained by you or your passengers. It will also cover lost wages and other related expenses. So here's it, uninsured motorist coverage. So here's it, reimburses you when an accident is caused by a driver who does not have auto insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage is designed to protect you when you are involved in an accident with a driver who has some insurance but not enough to cover the full cost of a claim. So here's it, basically uh, not getting a car insurance policy above the minimum limits set by state law may increase the cost of coverage, but it could benefit you later if you are involved in an accident. So basically, this is all about auto insurance. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.